In today's video, we're going to be keeping with the pumpkin theme again, and we have another recipe video for you guys. Today we're going to be making pumpkin banana muffins. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so we're keeping with the pumpkin theme, like I said, this week. So if you haven't seen it already, make sure to check out my pumpkin spice overnight oats recipe from last week and let me know what you guys think. But today we're making healthy pumpkin banana muffins. So these muffins are a nice, healthy option for everybody of all ages, young, old, and everything in between. And they're naturally sweetened and made with whole wheat flour. Now, if you liked my banana chocolate chip muffin recipe video or my strawberry banana bread recipe video, then you're going to love these. But if you haven't tried those, make sure you do and let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Now, are these pumpkin banana muffins actually healthy? So, pumpkin is actually a fruit, but they are really nutritious and they're loaded with vitamins and actually fiber. And we're also going to be using Greek yogurt in this recipe and pure maple syrup, so it's just going to ever so slightly be naturally sweetened. So I definitely feel good about serving these and calling them healthy. So the first thing that we're going to do is go preheat our oven to 425 degrees, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now we have quite a few ingredients over here, but I feel like aside from the pumpkin puree, then these should kind of be things that you always just have in your fridge. I know at least I do. So we're going to have our vanilla extract, we're going to have 2 of our ripe bananas. Now the more ripe they are, the sweeter that your muffins are going to be naturally. We're going to have some butter, some Greek yogurt, our flour, an egg, our maple syrup, milk, pumpkin spice, pumpkin puree, some cinnamon, baking soda, baking powder, and the teeniest bit of salt. Now this is only going to take about 10 minutes to kind of whip up together. They're going to take about 25 minutes to cook, and you should get 12 muffins when all said and done. So after preheating your oven, what you're going to want to do is either spray your muffin tins, line them with muffin tins, or I'd line them with these silicone tins that you've seen me use in my banana chocolate chip muffins recipe video, my Chunky Monkey frozen yogurt bites recipe video, or my quinoa and egg breakfast muffin recipe video. Now these work so well with all of the above. They just come out super clean, easy, don't even have to worry about it, and they're reusable. So we're saving the planet. So now I'm just going to set these aside, and just like every other muffin or cake or any kind of recipe like that, you're going to want to start with dry ingredients or wet ingredients and then mix them together. Don't just start mixing like crazy. So I'm going to start with the wet ingredients. So I'm going to take my bananas and I'm just going to plop them in there. Like I said, the riper the better. Okay. I almost forgot, the butter is actually going to be melted, not just softened, melted. So I'm just gonna plop that over in the microwave while I mix the rest of the ingredients. So, just gonna grab our Greek yogurt. And there's no rhyme or reason to this. I'm just gonna add this Greek yogurt right before I start mashing the bananas, just to give me a little something to kind of make it a little bit easier on me to mash. Alright, I'm just going to start mashing. Now obviously the riper they are too, the softer they're going to be and the easier they're going to be to mash. Now these, just like my other recipe videos that I have where, sorry I have to like get in there. The other recipe videos that I have with the bananas, you can mash these to whatever consistency that you like. You can make them as smooth or as chunky as you guys want. I'm going to add in our vanilla extract. Grab the butter. Add in our butter now. And like I said, there's no rhyme or reason or order that you gotta mix these together in. Okay. So we have our pumpkin puree. Now, like I said in the pumpkin spice overnight oats recipe video. Make sure if you're getting canned pumpkins, you're gonna do canned pumpkins, canned pumpkin puree. You're not gonna do the pumpkin pie filling. That's gonna be totally different. Our pure maple syrup. The maple syrup alone, like just the smell of butter, maple syrup, and the pumpkin together, like, excuse me. Our milk. And finally in here, our egg. We're just going to mix this together, but here I'm going to add in, this is our flour, I'm going to add in our pumpkin spice and our cinnamon, our baking soda, flour, and salt, and mix that together. And we're going to mix them both separately and then together, and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so now we're all mixed, and you should have something that looks like this. So you want to make sure to just mix the wet and dry ingredients just until they're mixed. Don't sit there over mixing, because you're just going to get a really tough and hard muffin with a bunch of tunnels, and nobody wants that. So now all we're going to do is evenly distribute the batter into all of our muffin tins, and then we're ready to put it in the oven. Okay, so we're ready to put them in the oven. Now what we're gonna do is cook them in there for only about 5 minutes at 425, and that's just gonna make sure that the muffins have time to just really rise quickly and get that nice rounded top. And then for the other 20 to 25 minutes, we're going to lower the temperature to 350 degrees. Okay, so lower it to the 350 for another 20 minutes, and then I'll see you guys once the 20 minutes is up. Okay, so toothpick test came back clean, so we're just going to take all of our muffin tins out here to cool, and I'm actually going to go plop these in because I came out with 9 more muffins. Okay, so we're all out of the oven. As you can see, I have way more than the 12. Now it's time to try one. So good, you guys. Just a nice healthy snack to kind of just satisfy your sweet tooth a little bit. But we have that pure maple syrup in here. We use the monk fruit sweetener, so we don't have anything super bad going on here. It's really, really good for you guys and really healthy and delicious. Okay, well that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you liked it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes, just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.